You know, a man who's silent all the time, doing his things and not bothering anybody. Be sure that man has been through a lot. He stays alone and doesn't mind it. He doesn't mind eating by himself or entertaining himself. Don't show that man pity because he's strong. Life tried to beat him into submission, but he survived, and that's where he gained his strength. Don't think he's weird because he doesn't talk to you. He just chose not to, as he doesn't want troubles in his life. If you see a man like this, know that he learned how to live with himself. He's at peace and doesn't care what others think about him. So don't be an idiot and try to bother that man's peace because he won't even notice.
And the tactics now to first of all cause confusion.